Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how you can contact PNC Bank for loan support. There are several straightforward ways to get in touch with PNC Bank for support with your existing loan, and the best option often depends on the type of loan you have. For general loan inquiries, payments, and hardship assistance, the main number for PNC Bank customer service for auto loans, home equity, and personal loans is 1-888-PNC-BANK, which is 1-888-762-2265. You can use this for a variety of needs, including making a payment via voice banking or speaking with an agent. This number is also key if you are looking to enroll in an automated payment program. If you are facing financial difficulty and need to discuss hardship assistance for your loan, you can call 1-800-642-6323 to discuss your options. For specific loan types, mortgage loans, for support with your mortgage account, including general inquiries or to make a payment by phone, you should call 1-800-822-5626. This number offers 24-hour automated account information. Consumer credit cards, if your support question is related to a PNC consumer credit card, the number is 1-800-282-7541 for both voice banking payments and agent assistance. Personal lines of credit, for specific questions regarding your personal line of credit, you can call 1-877-225-5762. Digital support options. Beyond phone calls, you have several digital options. PNC Online Banking and Mobile App. You can sign into your PNC Online Banking account or the PNC Mobile App to schedule payments, check your loan balance, and often manage other account services. Locate a branch. You can always find your nearest PNC branch to speak with a representative in person. In summary, the most general and widely applicable number for PNC loan support is 1-888-PNC-BANK. For mortgages, use 1-800-822-5626. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.